dynamic. Now imagine that you were a business and that you were looking to share how it all works. What could you do to get your Eggs Benedict out there? Well, there is Facebook. It's 2 billion active monthly users. And that's not something to be shy of it. 2 billion, nearly 2 billion. It's just around 1.98 at the moment. You can target working class people. I'd say it's middle class people that love Eggs Benedict, but that's just me saying where I think it is. And you can target down to exactly who you want with your Facebook. You can say to someone in your local area, if you're a business, if you're a cafe, oh my gosh, check out this amazing Eggs Benedict, and you can do it with just a picture. Or if you want to go crazy, add a video into the mix as well. That's where we are right now with Instagram, with Facebook, with all these different mediums. You can get out there and you can target and pinpoint people right to the radius of where they live and say, hey, if you're a fan of eggs and you're into fancy French food in the morning with taking eggs and making it look all lovely, then this is where you've got to go. I'm just being sarcastic there. But yeah, I mean, it's really the right people can be targeted. Working class, middle class people that live in where I live, maybe a radius of 1 mile of this cafe or restaurant, can be targeted for as little as £5 a day. And that's why I love Facebook, because Facebook is your perfect hybrid platform, because you can post live. Yeah, I mean, it's relatively new. It's been around about 2 years now, and it's constantly growing. And yes, it's got teething problems and technical problems, but it's progressing and it's gradually becoming the mainstream. People are replacing YouTube over Facebook in many regards, and that's only going to continue. But YouTube has still got its place. Then you've got posting clickable links in your post. Never before has it been that easy to create valuable content via video or with an image, and in your post, in your message, add a link as well. And then you can run advertisements combining those two things, the video with the links, and you're advertising and you're growing your following. Then of course, the ultimate combination is Instagram. 800 million users. And I think that's just such an amazing opportunity. Now, it's taken my head a lot to get around Instagram over the last few years, but I've got it down and I've got it working. And it's for the millennials, I'm going to admit that, but it's rapidly changing. People are beginning to move from all age groups, just like they did a few years ago with Facebook. They're now beginning to get involved in Instagram, and I'm going to be talking about that more in this video as well. So your business page is your best friend. Now, having your own page, your own personal page is great, but there's limits. You can hit 5,000 people and you're done. And really, you can only do about 50 friend requests a day. So the average person is going to nowhere hit that. But if you're trying to grow, then keep on growing it, get it to that 5,000. But when you've hit that 5,000, where do you go next? And it's something to think about. With Facebook business pages, you've got no friend limit, and you can friend up to 1,000 people a day. Now, the reason for that is because Facebook want you to advertise, and that's going to be the theme of this video, is talking about that, because it just a reality check. Facebook is a business, and they've got rules in place for friends, but personal pages, and rules in place for business pages, because they have to appear like they are that they are staying congruent to what Facebook has always been for. So business pages changes all of that. It allows them to unlimited, allows you to really grow it.